was like looking at this problem. I need another number. The other number is, of course, that G is 9.81 newtons per kilogram. Okay, so let's see. What vertical distance is she lifted? All right, so what do we have? We've got G is equal to the opposite of the change in gravitational potential over R, right? Okay, so negative 9.81 newtons per kilogram equals the opposite of 142 joules per kilogram over change in R, right? And of course the minus signs will make the change in R come out positive, right? I think it's this divided by this, right? 142 divided by, yeah, 14.47, so is positive 14.475. I have an easier time using the minus sign in gravity cases. I guess just because that's meters. I guess because up and down are pretty simple. All right,